Wilma, or 224 Canning Street here in Allenstown, has been renovated to perfection. What's more, the owners have been very clever and got development approval so you can run your own business from home, specifically medical and health services. Why don't you take a quick tour? Ground floor of this home is an incredible self-contained unit, but what's more, it's been approved for medical suites or any other consultation rooms that you may like. Take a quick look around. You know what I really love about this place is when the day is done or the weekend begins, this area transforms into the hub of the home, a place to get together and really enjoy the company of your family and friends. 224 Canning Street has had a wonderful renovation and it's a great home. But what it truly offers is diversity. Whether you want the perfect home, an entertainer's paradise, or somewhere where you can live and work, the opportunity is certainly yours. If our team can help you understand this property more, give us a call. We would love to help you out.